Can a small plastic toy break a 10-year friendship? Tom and Jerry are best friends, but today, everything changes. One of them has a secret. Will they stay friends, or is this the end? Let's find out. It was a beautiful Saturday morning. The sun was warm, and the birds were singing in the trees. Tom and Jerry were in the park. They were best friends. They did everything together. Today, they had a new toy. It was a bright red racing car. It was fast and shiny. "My turn," Tom said. He pushed the car across the grass. "No, I want to play now," Jerry said. He reached for the car, but Tom did not stop. He held the car tightly in his hands. "I bought it, so I play first," Tom said. His voice was not kind. Jerry felt a hot feeling in his chest. He was angry. "But we always share," Jerry shouted.
No!
They began to argue. Their voices became loud. People in the park looked at them. Tom stood up. He looked at Jerry with cold eyes. "Fine, take it," Tom yelled. He threw the car on the ground and ran away. Jerry stood alone. He picked up the red car. It was finally his turn. But suddenly, the car did not look beautiful anymore. It looked like a piece of red plastic. Jerry sat under a big oak tree. He pushed the car, but he didn't smile. "It's not fun alone," Jerry thought. He looked at the space next to him. Usually, Tom was there. Usually, they laughed together. Now, it was very quiet. At his house, Tom was sitting in his room. He felt bad. He felt a heavy weight in his heart. "I was mean to Jerry," Tom whispered to himself. He looked at a photo of them at the beach. He realized a secret truth. A toy is just a thing. A friend is a treasure. Tom walked back to the park. He saw Jerry sitting under the tree. Jerry looked up. He saw Tom coming. He felt a little bit nervous. Tom stopped in front of Jerry. He looked at his shoes. "Jerry, I am sorry," Tom said softly. "I was selfish. I don't want the car. I want my friend." Jerry smiled. It was a small smile at first, then a big one. "I am sorry too," Jerry said. "I shouted at you. Let's play together." They spent the rest of the afternoon playing. They shared the red car. They realized that saying sorry is like a magic key. It opens the door to happiness again. True friends forgive, and true friends are never really alone. Let's learn 5 important words from our story. Listen and repeat. Argue. To speak angrily because you disagree. Example 1. The brothers argue about the TV. Example 2. I don't want to discuss with you today. Share. To use something together with another person. Example 1. Please share your cookies with your sister. Example 2. We share a big office at work. Forgive. To stop being angry at someone. Example 1. She will forgive him for the mistake. Example 2. It is important to forgive your friends. Alone. Without any other people. Example 1. He likes to walk in the park alone. Example 2. Are you home alone tonight? Secret. Something that is hidden or not known by many. Example 1. I have a secret to tell you. Example 2. They kept the party a secret. Quiz time. Now, let's see what you remember. Question 1. What color was the toy car? Answer. The car was bright red. Question 2. How did Tom feel when he was in his room alone? Answer. He felt bad and sad in his heart. Question 3. Thinking question. Is it easy for you to say, I am sorry? Why? Answer. There is no wrong answer. Tell us your thoughts in the comments. Friendship is more important than any toy. I hope you enjoyed this story about Tom and Jerry. Did you get 3 out of 3 on the quiz? Tell us your score below. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy English stories and hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next story. Goodbye.